we'll guide you through how to review Inkscape effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Once you're in the application, take a moment to explore the interface. Familiarize yourself with the main toolbar on the left, where you can find essential tools like the Select and Transform tool, the Node tool, and the Text tool. Next, pay attention to the top menu bar, which provides access to file operations, editing options, and various extensions. To get a feel for the program's capabilities, try creating a simple shape like a rectangle or a circle using the shape tools. Click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. Experiment with resizing, rotating, and modifying the shape using the Select and Transform tool. To add some color, go to the Fill and Stroke dialog, which you can open by clicking on the Object menu and selecting Fill and Stroke. Here, you can choose the fill color, stroke color, and stroke style. Don't forget to explore the Layers panel on the right to manage different elements of your design separately. This is especially useful for complex illustrations. If you want to add text, click on the Text tool in the left toolbar, click on the canvas, and start typing. You can then adjust the font, size, and style from the Text and Font dialog under the Text menu. To see how well Inkscape handles different formats, try exporting your design by going to File, then Export, and choose your preferred format like PNG or SVG. Review the export settings to ensure your design looks great in different sizes and resolutions. To wrap up your review, consider the ease of use, the features available, and how they compare to other vector graphic software you might have used. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.